Okay, so this video is for Breanna, and we've got two formulas up here. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to where you can see the pen. We've got the formula for going from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius, and then we've got the formula for going Celsius to Kelvin or Kelvin to Celsius. And for our first problem, it says convert 87 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So first off, you see I have 2 in a triangle up here. That's to remind me for when I get down to the end, I have 2 significant figures. As a matter of fact, I'd prefer to do it like this so you don't get too overwhelmed. Okay, so 87 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, and 87 has 2 significant figures, and that's because they're both non-zeros. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm doing a Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion, so I'm going to get the Fahrenheit to Celsius equation out. And in place of F, I'm going to put in the 87 degrees Fahrenheit. Actually, a lot of instructors at this point will say that it's okay to drop the degrees because it just kind of confuses students sometimes. But I left it in here. I don't know why, I just did. Okay, so it doesn't matter either way. Okay, so we want to get Celsius by itself. The first thing we'll need to do is we'll need to subtract 32 from both sides. And the reason we're subtracting is because it's added to degrees Celsius. So we're going to subtract 32 from both sides. And on the left side, that gives us 55. And on the right side, this cancels out and it leaves us with 1.8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now we need to get Celsius by itself still, but it's multiplied by 1.8. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide both sides by 1.8. And so anything divided by itself is 1, and 1 times Celsius is Celsius. And then 55 divided by 1.8 is 30.55555, repeating. I just took it out to the hundredths. But we have 2 significant figures up here, so down here we need to have 2 significant figures. So I count 1, 2, and then I look to the right to see if the 0 needs to stay a 0 or increase to 1. And because this is 5 or greater, it needs to increase to 1. And so we get 31 degrees Celsius. So that's how you convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius.